We're going to go plant shopping, keep me company, and enjoy all the beautiful spring flowers. These are some vincas. I had been waiting for them for the longest time. I'm always happy to see vincas. They look pretty much like the impatiens, but they last longer and can stand worse weather than your average other flower. Welcome to the channel. This is Martha with the Living Backyard. Every time I go in window shop for plants, I want to buy everything, but of course I can't. Number one, I'm shopping for something the deer won't eat, and seems like the plumbago is the thing. I absolutely love them. I love blue flowers, and these are just so sweet and beautiful. The color sometimes is kind of like almost lavender. And these are some succulents. I am not much into succulents and cacti. I love seeing them. I just don't want to be collecting them. But see how pretty they are with the red frame around them. They are pretty. And this is the red yucca. I love it. I love the flowers. The spotty aloe vera is also very pretty. I am very scared of any cactus that has such thorns, so I just keep them at a distance. And this looks like almost like coral. It looks like it belongs in the ocean, not in the succulents. And now look at these lilies. They are so beautiful. I love them. I planted them some last year, but before I even saw them, the deer just had dinner on them, ate them all up. But look at this, kind of like orange and copper and burgundy. Just amazing. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. And hydrangeas. Oh my goodness, what can I say? Just look at this. The colors are beautiful, so sweet. I just want to bite them. Light pink and green. Some were white, some were more greenish. Different types of pink as well. Look at this one. I just want to just put it on my hair. All over my head. So very nice. This one is almost lavender. Kind of purplish. I'm not sure the camera could capture the right colors, but just beautiful. These over here are the lantanas. They are such strong plants and I love the colors. I had one red one, but I guess the more intense colors didn't last with the crazy last winter. I'm still waiting for it to wake up, but there are those that are always coming back and some that are pretty much just for the season. The diachondria is so beautiful. So silverish. I think this one is the Silver Falls. And coleus, always sweet. I love the coleus. They are so happy looking. I just love them. They had all kinds of varieties. Super nice. The hibiscus, this is the classical red one. My mom had a huge hibiscus plant just like this with the red flowers. And you can see them in this kind of pink. So beautiful. And this yellow, so vibrant. This is the other pink, kind of more open. And it looks so nice with the drops of water all over them. So pretty. This is a lighter pink and a lot bigger. This one, look at the red center and the intense yellow. Just beautiful. They're huge. This orange is also very big, so large. We used to collect hibiscus from the ground and then giving them to the turtles. There were some turtles where my grandma lived and we used to just give them to the turtles and they love eating them. Bougainvilleas. This is one of my favorite plants. They just look so amazing and so simple. Just a couple of petals, but the color is so intense. On the corner you can see some stripy ginger. Really cute too. I just don't have enough of the bougainvilleas. I'm thinking of getting one. I'm thinking of getting one later. This is the Texas sage. And if you see, it was about to rain because that's when they have their flowers. When they feel that there's going to be some rain, they pop their purple flowers. This hibiscus is just glorious. It's like scarlet red. This I turn around because of the fragrance. I love lemon and lime trees. The smell is just so wonderful. It's kind of like intense gardenias. So beautiful. I might get one later on. Especially if the squirrels and the deer don't like them, then I will like them. Even better. These are some climbing vines. Full of color, very pretty. There was pink, red, purple, white. Really cute. Figs. I don't need another fig. The tree in here is really, really big. But I love seeing the plants and smelling the fig plants. These are some blueberries. They are really cute. I am not going to have one. The squirrels will just eat them all up. And this ligustrum, so pretty. The smell of it is not so sweet, but it's pretty. I like it. They are very strong and they can stand the weather very nicely. And the bees love them. So what did I buy? I got a bunch of vincas, I got the diachondria, I got a calla lily, and several other goodies that you will see when I plant them. I don't know if I'm going to put them in the right order when I can edit the videos, but thanks for keeping me company and watch the next video. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss the next one.